Being alone is more painful than getting hurt. Strong alone, unstoppable together. What a lovely surprise to discover how unlonely being alone can be. Some walks you have to take alone. A lone wolf is not lonely, just alone. It takes a heart to forgive and a brain to move on. Sometimes you just need to be alone and let your tears out. I have everyone even though I am alone because everyone is not my only one. Alone time is when I distance myself from the voices of the world so I can hear my own. Loneliness is sad, aloneness is blissful. Maturity is when you learn to vibe alone. I am alone and this loneliness is killing me. Learn to fight alone. One bad chapter does not mean your story is over. Creativity comes from loneliness. And all I loved alone. Each day can't be a happy one. Too soon to say goodbye. Some nights I burn in the fire of my own thoughts. Whenever I feel I lonely, I keep myself busy in just enjoying myself. It's up to you whether you want to be part of the crowd or walk alone on the way to find your own identity.